Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I wanted to do a short video on Marketplace Insights. It's a guide that Etsy released, and this guide helps you to showcase 2019 holiday trends. So, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I do help you build an impactful Etsy business online. So the reason why I wanted to do this video is because a lot of times we either miss the emails or they go to the spam folder. So I just wanted to bring it to everyone's attention, especially because the holidays are around the corner. So looking at something like this is going to really help you because it's going to tell you what's currently trending and what they predict is going to trend for the holiday season. So this is a 49-page guide. So I highly suggest reading it when you have the time to sit down and digest the information. And it's very comprehensive, guys. So it'll be easy to read, and it's separated into different sections. They have the seasonal overview, they have category trends, and then they also have how to put these trends into action. So this is to help you, inspire you to make new products, and also to give you a perspective of what is going to be trending. In case you do sell these particular items, you could stock up more of those particular items. But it's a really great comprehensive guide. If you not received the email for some reason or you cannot find it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link right below this video. Just click on the text box below and you'll be able to go ahead and grab it. That way you could kind of go through the entire list. But I highly recommend doing, because it's going to help you increase your Etsy sales, especially for the holiday season, for those of you guys that make more money in the holiday season. So I hope that this video was helpful, at least for those of you that didn't receive the email, you didn't know about it. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. Thank you guys for watching.